A solar eclipse, one of the year's best meteor showers, Venus at its brightest in the evening sky, and a lunar eclipse to close out the month. That's what's up for August. On August 12th, a total solar eclipse crosses northern Russia, Greenland, Iceland, and northern Spain, with a small corner of Portugal inside the path of totality. In parts of the United States, from Alaska to North Carolina, the eclipse is partial. The moon will only take a small bite out of the sun, and the amount of coverage will vary by location. As with all solar events, remember to watch safely, never looking directly at the sun. Later that same night, the Perseid meteor shower will light up the sky. It peaks the evening of August 12th into the early morning hours of the 13th. And with a new moon arriving on the 12th, the skies will be ideally dark. The Perseids happen every year when Earth passes through a debris stream left behind by comet Swift-Tuttle. As those tiny bits of comet dust hit our atmosphere at high speed, they burn up as bright streaks of light. To view this meteor shower, look toward the northeast once it's fully dark, and watch for the Perseid constellation to clear the horizon. This is where the meteors originate. But let your eyes wander because they can flash across any part of the sky. On August 14th through 16th, Venus reaches its greatest eastern elongation. Look low in the western sky shortly after sunset for a bright object that will outshine every star around it. On the night of August 27th, continuing into August 28th for some time zones, the full moon slips through Earth's shadow, resulting in a partial lunar eclipse. It will be visible from much of North and South America and parts of Europe and Africa. At maximum eclipse, about 93% of the moon's diameter will be inside Earth's dark central shadow, called the umbra. The moon won't be completely covered, but can look dramatically darkened, with a rusty coppery tint along the covered edge. Unlike a solar eclipse, a lunar eclipse is safe to watch with just your eyes. Here are the phases of the moon for August. You can stay up to date on all of NASA's missions exploring the solar system and beyond at science.nasa.gov. I'm Raquel Villanueva from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and that's what's up this month.